Here's an interesting myth. The smoke from polyurethane foam combustion is toxic. Well, yes it is. There's two primary materials in smoke. The oxides of carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and there's hydrogen cyanide, present when all organic materials burn, including wood. There's so much of it in our homes these days. Wood smoke contains large amounts of hydrogen cyanide and other aldehydes, such as acrolein, which is not good for you. Now, foam also contains small amounts of hydrogen cyanide, and let's compare the two, foam and wood smoke. Mice exposed to wood smoke demonstrate more dramatic pathology than mice exposed to cotton and polyurethane smoke. So smoke of wood react more violently, and it appears to be more toxic than the smoke of cotton and polyurethane foam. Interesting. To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.